we can pick up the command line arguments. Here we can check what are the argv of sys. Here you can see that I am using this Jupyter notebook, and it's using those arguments to run my code. Something else would be from another terminal. Let's say I would do some terminal here, and I'll just do this. I do like the Python prompts, like normal Python prompts without the Python, without the Jupyter notebook. I would have something else. Like if you're using something else, it's totally okay if you have something else. Okay, here you can say Python, and here I can put this, and argv have nothing in my argv, for example. I can write some error output. We can redirect the output, the error output, and write something else.